Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School, home of the Knights in Oceanside, California. My third visit to the location here, part of the Vista Unified School District, and I got to speak again to the AM, PM students, grades TK through 5, and just another heartwarming day for me, and this one especially. The kids that came up to me after my program just really took what I said to the core of their hearts, right? And the focus was on diversity, appreciating our differences on the outside and on the inside of someone, including ourselves, but also this need for human kindness, right? You'll see that this peace sign, my friend and I designed this a few years back. The peace sign inside the heart is where peace has to begin. There's also two people inside. This kindness is not just giving it to yourself or showing it to yourself, it's showing it to others too. And one student wanted to share something at the end of the assembly, got on the microphone, and he had said, look, we need to show kindness to everyone, no matter what, and we need to love ourselves always. And it was so cool. I think it was a kindergartner. And to understand that or think about that, even at so young, it was just so motivating for me too. A couple other students came up and said, Mr. Peace, kindness isn't in everyone's heart, but if we show it to them, maybe we can give their heart kindness. Maybe we can, kind of change their heart in a positive way. And so it's so important when we're talking about kindness, it may not just be to the person or persons that we show that act of kindness towards or say something towards, that's a very uplifting type of comment or action, but it could be anyone else that sees that or hears that's in earshot or eyesight of what just happened. It might really truly transform their heart too, right? And that's the goal, is that we are able to, make this world a kinder place by showing that unconditional love without any conditions, by, understanding that, yes, we are different, but if we were all the same, that'd be boring. So instead of letting those differences continue to separate us, let's let them unify us, right? Let's really, truly try to get to know someone, walk a mile in their shoes, get past those judgments, and knowing that, maybe sometimes our closed hearts or minds shield us from meeting amazing future friends. So again, it's just so cool that they really did take this to heart. I'm always trying to touch hearts. My talks are more heart heavy through the powerful stories that I'm always sharing about youth their age that always choose greatness, the positive hip hop hand motion raps that I do, the inspirational videos, picture slides, all of that kind of plays together. And really making sure that I always remind them too of the M on all of our palms for miracle, that we have to really be able to, look ourselves in any mirror and appreciate that reflection, know that we're special, that we're unique, that we're beautiful just the way we are. Even if we're born different, even if we talk, walk, see, hear, learn differently, or have a different skin color, eat different foods, speak a different language, none of that matters. It's just another opportunity for us to keep growing. Our true education is with the relationships that we keep forming, the ones that are going to hopefully last forever. So never forget that we are all miracles, like the lines on our hand, in the front of my shirt, upside down for worthy. Beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. You all touch my heart. I'll be back a couple more times this school year for 2023, 2024. But until then, have a great start to this semester and keep shining that light, keep shining that kindness. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.